Hi there, I'm Clayton. Usually on this channel we talk about financial freedom and passive income. But today I'm taking a little break to enjoy some 10-year-old scotch and the new iPhone XR clear case, which Apple just released a few minutes ago. And it's not out in stores yet. So why not a little hands-on, shall we? And a little scotch.
So here's the new iPhone XR clear case. It's taken Apple a while to release this little bad boy. There's a lot of other clear cases on the market, but clear cases are not easy. But their packaging is. I'll just take a little break here. Don't mind if I do. There we go. Finally on. Okay, so I really like the feeling of this case. It feels a lot sturdier than a lot of the clear cases that I've used in the past, where it feels like if you bent it, it would shatter. This has a stickiness to it, and it feels as durable as a lot of the other Apple cases. And it doesn't feel as sticky as the silicon cases, but if you lay it down on a wireless charging mat, it's not going to go anywhere, and it feels really durable and nice. So there you go, Apple Clear Case.
So there you go. That's a little hands-on time with the iPhone XR clear case. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I know I enjoyed myself. We'll see you next time, everyone. Thanks for stopping by.